Hello everybody, Maximilian here, welcome back in another video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can return your items on CNFans. It is super simple, so stay with me and I will show you step by step how to return it. So let's say you have purchased a product on CNFans, but unluckily there's something wrong with it. Maybe you chose a different size than you wanted, or maybe there are some imperfections that you don't want on your item, so you want to return it. Nonetheless, it's super simple. First of all, we go to the accounts, and then we scroll down till we see the orders. So let's hit orders. And as you can see, here we are in the orders tab, and now we've got all the orders here. So what I want you to do now is to look for the product that you want to return. In my case, it's this one. By accident, I have ordered a size 36 instead of 39, so I want to return this. Let's click return. And now all you've got to do is just input a information why you want to return this product. Once done, simply click the submit button here. Within a couple of hours, you will receive a response to this inquiry where you will be followed the procedure of returning the item. The agent, in this case Lan, will return the item for me and I will get all my money back on the balance on the CNFans. And then also, without any issues, I can return this money back to my bank, so there are no problems whatsoever when it comes to just returning the items on CNFans. I hope I helped you now in this very quick video on how to return the items on CNFans. As you can see, it's super simple. You have to do a couple of clicks on the mouse on the CNFans app or their website and you will get your money back. If you want to see more tutorials on CNFans and where to get the items from, I recommend you guys checking my YouTube channel where I have loads of different videos. And also down in the link description, you will get all the links to the products. As you can see, this spreadsheet contains roughly 1500 different items. You get them categorized by the brand, the price and everything. So if you are looking for items, high quality items on CNFans, here's the place where you can get them from. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye!